This is a KCCI editorial.
Last week, the United States Supreme Court heard arguments in a case that's part of a broader conversation about whether college athletes should be paid. Considering the amount of sports talk radio airtime spent on this issue and the recent prominence of the discussion during March Madness, it seems to us this would have been a case many people would have wanted to see. But we can't, because cameras aren't allowed in the Supreme Court. And we've never understood why. Cameras in courtrooms have been allowed in Iowa since the 80s. Minnesota is allowing them for the first time for the trial of Derek Chauvin and the death of George Floyd. Transparency matters in that case more than many. And that's the benefit of cameras. They give us transparency. You see for yourself. They also add context that simply reading a verdict or a report on the trial fails to convey. Senator Chuck Grassley hopes to change this. He's co-sponsoring a bill with Democratic Senator Dick Durbin that would require the Supreme Court to televise any open sessions. The bill does allow for some exceptions. If the recent past is any indication, Supreme Court rulings and the justices that render those decisions will continue to impact all areas of our lives. In cases on college athletics, gun rights, abortion rights, and other critical issues, the public deserves to see the deliberations. If transparency matters at all, it should matter in the highest court in the land. We encourage swift debate and passage of this bill, and we encourage the House to follow suit. This is the right thing to do, and frankly, it's long overdue.
KCCI welcomes responsible replies to this editorial.